pregnancy was not explained at all until the day of your wedding. In my old order sect, that is something that the elders of the church and the bishop would explain to the couple on their wedding day. That is very much strictly forbidden to be discussed at any age growing up until you are ready to be married. That is their goal, but you can imagine how youngsters, teenagers start talking. Sometimes people figure it out. I finally figured it out at age 16 and then had a couple questions for mom. And I remember mom really questioning me how I heard about this. And because I had watched the animals, how they produce, and I had questions, and mom said, "Who talked to you about